Surah, number 10, of Quran Majeed. Jonah.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
In the name of Allah, the All-Beneficent, the All-Merciful.
Alif Lam Ra. تلك آيات الكتاب الحكيم.
Alif, Lam, Ra. These are the signs of the wise book.
أكان للناس عجبا أن أوحينا إلى رجل منهم أن أنذر الناس وبشر الذين آمنوا أن لهم قدم صدق عند ربهم. قال الكافرون إن هذا لساحر مبين.
Does it seem odd to these people that we have revealed to a man from among themselves, declaring, warn mankind, and give good news to the faithful that they are in good standing with their Lord? The faithless say, this is indeed a plain magician.
إن ربكم الله الذي خلق السماوات والأرض في 6 أيام ثم استوى على العرش يدبر الأمر ما من شفيع إلا من بعد إذنه ذلكم الله ربكم فاعبدوه أفلا تذكرون.
Indeed your Lord is Allah, who created the heavens and the earth in 6 days, and then settled on the throne, directing the command. There is no intercessor, except by his leave. That is Allah, your Lord. So worship him. Will you not then take admonition?
إليه مرجعكم جميعا وعد الله حقا إنه يبدأ الخلق ثم يعيده ليجزي الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات بالقسط والذين كفروا لهم شراب من حميم وعذاب أليم بما كانوا يكفرون.
To him will be the return of you all, that is, Allah's true promise. Indeed, he originates the creation, then he will bring it back that he may reward with justice those who have faith and do righteous deeds. As for the faithless, they shall have boiling water for drink, and a painful punishment because of what they used to defy.
هو الذي جعل الشمس ضياء والقمر نورا وقدره منازل لتعلموا عدد السنين والحساب ما خلق الله ذلك إلا بالحق يفصل الآيات لقوم يعلمون.
It is he who made the sun a radiance and the moon a light, and ordained its phases that you might know the number of years and the calculation of time. Allah did not create all that except with justice. He elaborates the signs for a people who have knowledge.
إن في اختلاف الليل والنهار وما خلق الله في السماوات والأرض لآيات لقوم يتقون.
Indeed, in the alternation of night and day, and whatever Allah has created in the heavens and the earth, there are surely signs for a people who are God-weary.
إن الذين لا يرجون لقاءنا ورضوا بالحياة الدنيا واطمأنوا بها والذين هم عن آياتنا غافلون.
Indeed, those who do not expect to encounter us and who are pleased with the life of this world and satisfied with it, and those who are oblivious of our signs.
أولئك مأواهم النار بما كانوا يكسبون.
It is they whose refuge shall be the fire because of what they used to earn.
إن الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات يهديهم ربهم بإيمانهم تجري من تحتهم الأنهار في جنات النعيم.
Indeed, those who have faith and do righteous deeds, their Lord guides them by the means of their faith. Streams will run for them in gardens of bliss.
دعواهم فيها سبحانك اللهم وتحيتهم فيها سلام وآخر دعواهم أن الحمد لله رب العالمين.
Their call therein will be, O Allah, immaculate are you. And their greeting therein will be, peace. And their concluding call, all praise belongs to Allah, the Lord of all the worlds.
وَلَوْ يُعَجِّلُ اللَّهُ لِلنَّاسِ الشَّرَّ اسْتِعْجَالَهُم بِالْخَيْرِ لَقُضِيَ إِلَيْهِمْ أَجَلُهُمْ فَنَذَرُ الَّذِينَ لَا يَرْجُونَ لِقَاءَنَا فِي طُغْيَانِهِمْ يَعْمَهُونَ.
Were Allah to hasten ill for mankind with their haste for good, their term would have been over. But we leave those who do not expect to encounter us bewildered in their rebellion.
وَإِذَا مَسَّ الْإِنسَانَ الضُّرُّ دَعَانَا لِجَنبِهِ أَوْ قَاعِدًا أَوْ قَائِمًا فَلَمَّا كَشَفْنَا عَنْهُ ضُرَّهُ مَرَّ كَأَن لَّمْ يَدْعُنَا إِلَى ضُرٍّ مَّسَّهُ كذلك زين للمسرفين ما كانوا يعملون.
When distress befalls man, he supplicates us, lying, on his side, sitting, or standing, but when we remove his distress, he passes on as if he had never supplicated us concerning the distress that had befallen him. What they have been doing is thus presented as decorous to the transgressors.
وَلَقَدْ أَهْلَكْنَا الْقُرُونَ مِنْ قَبْلِكُمْ لَمَّا ظَلَمُوا وَجَاءَتْهُمْ رُسُلُهُم بِالْبَيِّنَاتِ وَمَا كَانُوا لِيُؤْمِنُوا كَذَلِكَ نَجْزِي الْقَوْمَ الْمُجْرِمِينَ.
Certainly we destroyed generations before you when they perpetrated wrongs. Their apostles brought them manifest proofs, but they would not have faith. Thus do we requite the guilty lot.
ثُمَّ جَعَلْنَاكُمْ خَلَائِفَ فِي الْأَرْضِ مِنْ بَعْدِهِمْ لِنَنْظُرَ كَيْفَ تَعْمَلُونَ.
Then we made you successors on the earth after them that we may observe how you will act.
وَإِذَا تُتْلَى عَلَيْهِمْ آيَاتُنَا بَيِّنَاتٍ قَالَ الَّذِينَ لَا يَرْجُونَ لِقَاءَنَا ائْتِ بِقُرْآنٍ غَيْرِ هَذَا أَوْ بَدِّلْهُ قل ما يكون لي أن أبدله من تلقاء نفسي إن أتبع إلا ما يوحى إلي إني أخاف إن عصيت ربي عذاب يوم عظيم.
When our manifest signs are recited to them, those who do not expect to encounter us say, bring a Quran other than this, or alter it. Say, I may not alter it of my own accord. I follow only what is revealed to me. Indeed, should I disobey my Lord, I fear the punishment of a tremendous day.
قل لو شاء الله ما تلوته عليكم ولا أدراكم به فقد لبثت فيكم عمرا من قبله أفلا تعقلون.
Say, had Allah so wished, I would not have recited it to you, nor would he have made it known to you, for I have dwelled among you for a lifetime before it. Do you not exercise your reason?
فمن أظلم ممن افترى على الله كذبا أو كذب بآياته إنه لا يفلح المجرمون.
So who is a greater wrongdoer than him who fabricates a lie against Allah, or denies his signs? Indeed, the guilty will not be felicitous.
ويعبدون من دون الله ما لا يضرهم ولا ينفعهم ويقولون هؤلاء شفعاؤنا عند الله قل أتنبئون الله بما لا يعلم في السماوات ولا في الأرض سبحانه وتعالى عما يشركون.
They worship besides Allah that which neither causes them any harm, nor brings them any benefit, and they say, these are our intercessors with Allah. Say, will you inform Allah about something he does not know in the heavens or on the earth? Immaculate is he and exalted above, having any partners that they ascribe to him.
وما كان الناس إلا أمة واحدة فاختلفوا ولولا كلمة سبقت من ربك لقضي بينهم فيما فيه يختلفون.
Mankind were but a single, religious, community, then they differed. And were it not for a prior decree of your Lord, decision would have been made between them concerning that about which they differ.
ويقولون لولا أنزل عليه آية من ربه فقل إنما الغيب لله فانتظروا إني معكم من المنتظرين.
They say, why has not some sign been sent down to him from his Lord? Say, the knowledge of the unseen belongs only to Allah. So wait. I too am waiting along with you.
وَإِذَا أَذَقْنَا النَّاسَ رَحْمَةً مِّن بَعْدِ ضَرَّاءَ مَسَّتْهُمْ إذا لهم مكر في آياتنا قل الله أسرع مكرا إن رسلنا يكتبون ما تمكرون.
When we let people taste our mercy after a distress that has befallen them, behold, they scheme against our signs. Say, Allah is more swift at devising. Indeed our messengers write down what you scheme.
هو الذي يسيركم في البر والبحر حتى إذا كنتم في الفلك وجرين بهم بريح طيبة وفرحوا بها جاءتها ريح عاصف وجاءهم الموج من كل مكان وظنوا أنهم أحيط بهم دعوا الله مخلصين له الدين لئن أنجيتنا من هذه لنكونن من الشاكرين.
It is He who carries you across land and sea. When you are in the ships, and they sail along with them with a favorable wind, exulting in it, there comes upon them a tempestuous wind and waves assail them from every side, and they think that they are besieged. They invoke Allah, putting exclusive faith in Him. If you deliver us from this, we will surely be among the grateful.
أنجاهم إذا هم يبغون في الأرض بغير الحق يا أيها الناس إنما بغيكم على أنفسكم متاع الحياة الدنيا ثم إلينا مرجعكم فننبئكم بما كنتم تعملون.
But when He delivers them, behold, they commit violations on the earth unduly. O mankind! Your violations are only to your own detriment. These are the wares of the life of this world. Then to us will be your return, whereat we will inform you concerning what you used to do.
إنما مثل الحياة الدنيا كماء إن أنزلناه من السماء فاختلط به نبات الأرض مما يأكل الناس والأنعام حتى إذا أخذت الأرض زخرفها وزينت وظن أهلها أنهم قادرون عليها أتاها أمرنا ليلا أو نهارا فجعلناها حصيدا كأن لم تغن بالأمس كذلك نفصل الآيات لقوم يتفكرون.
The parable of the life of this world is that of water which we send down from the sky. It mingles with the earth's vegetation from which humans and cattle eat. When the earth puts on its luster and is adorned, and its inhabitants think they have power over it, our edict comes to it, by night or day, whereat we turn it into a mown field, as if it did not flourish the day before. Thus do we elaborate the signs for a people who reflect.
والله يدعو إلى دار السلام ويهدي من يشاء إلى صراط مستقيم.
Allah invites to the abode of peace, and He guides whomever He wishes to a straight path.
للذين أحسنوا الحسنى وزيادة ولا يرهق وجوههم قتر ولا ذلة أولئك أصحاب الجنة هم فيها خالدون.
Those who are virtuous shall receive the best reward and an enhancement. Neither dust nor abasement shall overcast their faces. They shall be the inhabitants of paradise, and they shall remain in it forever.
والذين كسبوا السيئات جزاء سيئة بمثلها وترهقهم ذلة ما لهم من الله من عاصم كأنما أغشيت وجوههم قطعا من الليل مظلما أولئك أصحاب النار هم فيها خالدون.
For those who have committed misdeeds, the requital of the misdeed shall be its like, and they shall be overcast by abasement. They shall have no one to protect them from Allah. They will be as if their faces were covered with dark patches of the night. They shall be the inmates of the fire, and they shall remain in it forever.
ويوم نحشرهم جميعا ثم نقول للذين أشركوا مكانكم أنتم وشركاؤكم فزيلنا بينهم وقال شركاؤهم ما كنتم إيانا تعبدون.
On the day when we gather them all together, we shall say to those who ascribe partners to Allah, stay where you are, you and your partners. Then we shall set them apart from one another, and their partners will say, it was not us that you worshipped.
فكفى بالله شهيدا بيننا وبينكم إن كنا عن عبادتكم لغافلين.
Allah suffices as a witness between you and us. We were indeed unaware of your worship.
هنالك تبلو كل نفس ما أسلفت وردوا إلى الله مولاهم الحق وضل عنهم ما كانوا يفترون.
There every soul will examine what it has sent in advance, and they will be returned to Allah, their real master, and what they used to fabricate will forsake them.
قل من يرزقكم من السماء والأرض أم من يملك السمع والأبصار ومن يخرج الحي من الميت ويخرج الميت من الحي ومن يدبر الأمر فسيقولون الله فقل أفلا تتقون.
Say, who provides for you out of the sky and the earth? Who controls your hearing and sight, and who brings forth the living from the dead and brings forth the dead from the living, and who directs the command? They will say, Allah. Say, Will you not then be wary of him?
فذلكم الله ربكم الحق فماذا بعد الحق إلا الضلال فأنى تصرفون.
That, then, is Allah, your true Lord. So what is there after the truth except error? Then where are you being led away?
كذلك حقت كلمة ربك على الذين فسقوا أنهم لا يؤمنون.
Thus the word of your Lord became due against those who transgress, that they shall not have faith.
قل هل من شركائكم من يبدأ الخلق ثم يعيده قل الله يبدأ الخلق ثم يعيده فأنى تؤفكون.
Say, is there anyone among your partners who originates the creation and then brings it back? Say, Allah originates the creation, then He will bring it back. Then where do you stray?
قل هل من شركائكم من يهدي إلى الحق قل الله يهدي للحق أفمن يهدي إلى الحق أحق أن يتبع أم من لا يهدي إلا أن يهدى فما لكم كيف تحكمون.
Say, is there anyone among your partners who may guide to the truth? Say, Allah guides to the truth. Is he who guides to the truth worthier to be followed, or he who is not guided unless shown the way? What is the matter with you? How do you judge?
وما يتبع أكثرهم إلا ظنا إن الظن لا يغني من الحق شيئا إن الله عليم بما يفعلون.
Most of them just follow conjecture. Indeed, conjecture is no substitute for the truth. Indeed, Allah knows best what they do.
وما كان هذا القرآن أن يفترى من دون الله ولكن تصديق الذي بين يديه وتفصيل الكتاب لا ريب فيه من رب العالمين.
This Quran could not have been fabricated by anyone besides Allah, rather, it is a confirmation of what was revealed before it, and an elaboration of the book, there is no doubt in it, from the Lord of all the worlds.
أم يقولون افتراه قل فأتوا بسورة مثله وادعوا من استطعتم من دون الله إن كنتم صادقين.
Do they say, he has fabricated it? Say, then bring a surah like it, and invoke whomever you can, besides Allah, should you be truthful.
بل كذبوا بما لم يحيطوا بعلمه ولما يأتهم تأويله كذلك كذب الذين من قبلهم فانظر كيف كان عاقبة الظالمين.
Indeed, they deny something whose knowledge they do not comprehend, and whose explanation has not yet come to them. Those who were before them denied likewise. So observe how was the fate of the wrongdoers.
ومنهم من يؤمن به ومنهم من لا يؤمن به وربك أعلم بالمفسدين.
Some of them believe in it, and some of them do not believe in it, and your Lord best knows the agents of corruption.
وَإِن كَذَّبُوكَ فَقُل لِّي عَمَلِي وَلَكُمْ عَمَلُكُمْ أَنتُم بَرِيئُونَ مِمَّا أَعْمَلُ وَأَنَا بَرِيءٌ مِّمَّا تَعْمَلُونَ.
If they deny you, say, my deeds belong to me and your deeds belong to you, you are absolved of what I do and I am absolved of what you do.
وَمِنْهُمْ مَنْ يَسْتَمِعُونَ إِلَيْكَ أَفَأَنْتَ تُسْمِعُ الصُّمَّ وَلَوْ كَانُوا لَا يَعْقِلُونَ.
There are some of them who prick up their ears at you. But can you make the deaf hear even if they do not exercise their reason?
وَمِنْهُمْ مَنْ يَنْظُرُ إِلَيْكَ أَفَأَنْتَ تَهْدِي الْعُمْيَ وَلَوْ كَانُوا لَا يُبْصِرُونَ.
There are some of them who observe you. But can you guide the blind even if they do not perceive?
إِنَّ اللَّهَ لَا يَظْلِمُ النَّاسَ شَيْئًا وَلَكِنَّ النَّاسَ أَنفُسَهُمْ يَظْلِمُونَ.
Indeed, Allah does not wrong people in the least, rather, it is people who wrong themselves.
وَيَوْمَ يَحْشُرُهُمْ كَأَن لَّمْ يَلْبَثُوا إِلَّا سَاعَةً مِّنَ النَّهَارِ يَتَعَارَفُونَ بَيْنَهُمْ قَدْ خَسِرَ الَّذِينَ كَذَّبُوا بِلِقَاءِ اللَّهِ وَمَا كَانُوا مُهْتَدِينَ.
On the day He will gather them, it will be as if they had not remained in the world, except for an hour of the day getting acquainted with one another. They are certainly losers who deny the encounter with Allah, and they are not guided.
وَإِمَّا نُرِيَنَّكَ بَعْضَ الَّذِي نَعِدُهُمْ أَوْ نَتَوَفَّيَنَّكَ فإلينا مرجعهم ثم الله شهيد على ما يفعلون.
Whether we show you a part of what we promise them, or take you away, before that, in any case, their return will be to us and Allah will be witness to what they do.
وَلِكُلِّ أُمَّةٍ رَسُولٌ فَإِذَا جَاءَ رَسُولُهُمْ قُضِيَ بَيْنَهُم بِالْقِسْطِ وَهُمْ لَا يُظْلَمُونَ.
There is an apostle for every nation, so when their apostle comes, judgment is made between them with justice, and they are not wronged.
وَيَقُولُونَ مَتَى هَذَا الْوَعْدُ إِن كُنتُمْ صَادِقِينَ.
They say, when will this promise be fulfilled, should you be truthful?
قُل لَّا أَمْلِكُ لِنَفْسِي ضَرًّا وَلَا نَفْعًا إِلَّا مَا شَاءَ اللَّهُ لِكُلِّ أُمَّةٍ أَجَلٌ إِذَا جَاءَ أَجَلُهُمْ فَلَا يَسْتَأْخِرُونَ سَاعَةً وَلَا يَسْتَقْدِمُونَ.
Say, I have no control over any benefit for myself nor over any harm except what Allah may wish. There is a time for every nation. When their time comes, they shall not defer it by a single hour nor shall they advance it.
قل أرأيتم إن أتاكم عذابه بياتا أو نهارا ماذا يستعجل منه المجرمون.
Say, tell me, should his punishment overtake you by night or day, you will not be able to avert it, so what part of it do the guilty seek to hasten?
أثم إذا ما وقع آمنتم به الآن وقد كنتم به تستعجلون.
What? Do you believe it when it has befallen? Now? While you would seek to hasten it earlier?
ثم قيل للذين ظلموا ذوقوا عذاب الخلد هل تجزون إلا بما كنتم تكسبون.
Then it will be said to those who were wrongdoers, taste the everlasting punishment. Shall you not be requited for what you used to earn?
ويستنبئونك أحق هو قل إي وربي إنه لحق وما أنتم بمعجزين.
They inquire of you, is it true? Say, yes. By my Lord, it is true, and you cannot frustrate him.
ولو أن لكل نفس ظلمت ما في الأرض لافتدت به وأسروا الندامة لما رأوا العذاب وقضي بينهم بالقسط وهم لا يظلمون.
Were any soul that has done wrong to possess whatever there is on the earth, it would surely offer it for ransom. They will hide their remorse when they sight the punishment, and judgment will be made between them with justice and they will not be wronged.
ألا إن لله ما في السماوات والأرض ألا إن وعد الله حق ولكن أكثرهم لا يعلمون.
Look, to Allah indeed belongs whatever is in the heavens and the earth. Look, Allah's promise is indeed true, but most of them do not know.
هو يحيي ويميت وإليه ترجعون.
It is He who gives life and brings death, and to Him you shall be brought back.
يا أيها الناس قد جاءتكم موعظة من ربكم وشفاء لما في الصدور وهدى ورحمة للمؤمنين.
O mankind! There has certainly come to you an advice from your Lord, and a cure for what is in the breast, and a guidance and mercy for the faithful.
قل بفضل الله وبرحمته فبذلك فليفرحوا هو خير مما يجمعون.
Say, in Allah's grace and His mercy, let them rejoice in that. It is better than what they amass.
قل أرأيتم ما أنزل الله لكم من رزق فجعلتم منه حراما منه حراما وحلالا قل الله أذن لكم أم على الله تفترون.
Say, have you regarded what Allah has sent down for you of His provision, whereupon you have made some of it unlawful and some lawful? Say, did Allah give you the sanction to do so, or do you fabricate a lie against Allah?
وما ظن الذين يفترون على الله الكذب يوم القيامة إن الله لذو فضل على الناس ولكن أكثرهم لا يشكرون.
What is the idea of those who fabricate lies against Allah concerning their situation on the day of resurrection? Indeed, Allah is gracious to mankind, but most of them do not give thanks.
وما تكون في شأن وما تتلو منه من قرآن ولا تعملون من عمل إلا كنا عليكم شهودا إذ تفيضون فيه وما يعزب عن ربك من مثقال ذرة في الأرض ولا في السماء ولا أصغر من ذلك ولا أكبر إلا في كتاب مبين.
You do not engage in any work, neither do you recite any part of the Quran, nor do you perform any deed without our being witness over you when you are engaged therein. Not an atom's weight escapes your Lord in the earth or in the sky, nor is there anything smaller than that nor bigger, but it is in a manifest book.
ألا إن أولياء الله لا خوف عليهم ولا هم يحزنون.
Look, the friends of Allah will indeed have no fear nor will they grieve.
الذين آمنوا وكانوا يتقون.
Those who have faith and are God-weary.
لهم البشرى في الحياة الدنيا وفي الآخرة لا تبديل لكلمات الله ذلك هو الفوز العظيم.
For them is good news in the life of this world and in the hereafter. There is no altering the words of Allah, that is the great success.
ولا يحزنك قولهم إن العزة لله جميعا هو السميع العليم.
Do not grieve at their remarks. Indeed, all might belongs to Allah. He is the all-hearing, the all-knowing.
ألا إن لله من في السماوات ومن في الأرض وما يتبع الذين يدعون من دون الله شركاء إن يتبعون إلا الظن وإن هم إلا يخرصون.
Look, to Allah indeed belongs whoever is in the heavens and whoever is on the earth. What do they pursue who invoke partners besides Allah? They merely follow conjectures and they just make surmises.
هو الذي جعل لكم الليل لتسكنوا فيه والنهار مبصرا إن إن في ذلك لآيات لقوم يسمعون.
It is He who made the night for you, that you may rest in it, and the day to provide visibility. There are indeed signs in that for people who listen.
قالوا اتخذ الله ولدا سبحانه هو الغني له ما في السماوات وما في الأرض إن عندكم من سلطان بهذا أتقولون على الله ما لا تعلمون.
They say, Allah has taken a son. Immaculate is He. He is the all-sufficient. To Him belongs whatever is in the heavens and whatever is in the earth. You have no authority for this statement. Do you attribute to Allah what you do not know?
قل إن الذين يفترون على الله الكذب لا يفلحون.
Say, indeed those who fabricate lies against Allah will not be felicitous.
متاع في الدنيا ثم إلينا مرجعهم ثم نذيقهم العذاب الشديد بما كانوا يكفرون.
An enjoyment in this world, then to us shall be their return, then we shall make them taste the severe punishment because of what they used to defy.
واتل عليهم نبأ نوح إذ قال لقومه يا قوم إن كان كبر عليكم مقامي وتذكيري بآيات الله فعلى الله توكلت فأجمعوا أمركم وشركاءكم ثم لا يكن أمركم عليكم غمة ثم قضوا إلي ولا تنظرون.
Relate to them the account of Noah when he said to his people, O my people, if my stay among you be hard on you, and also my reminding you of Allah's signs, for my part, I have put my trust in Allah. So conspire together, along with your partners, leaving nothing vague in your plan, then carry it out against me without giving me any respite.
فإن توليتم فما سألتكم من أجر إن أجري إلا على الله وأمرت أن أكون من المسلمين.
If you turn your back on me, I do not ask any reward from you. My reward lies only with Allah, and I have been commanded to be of those who submit to Allah.
فكذبوه فنجيناه ومن معه في الفلك وجعلناهم خلائف وأغرقنا الذين كذبوا بآياتنا فانظر كيف كان عاقبة المنذرين.
But they impugned him. So we delivered him and those who were with him in the ark, and we made them the successors, and we drowned those who denied our signs. So observe how was the fate of those who were warned.
ثم بعثنا من بعده رسلا إلى قومهم فجاءوهم بالبينات فما كانوا ليؤمنوا بما كذبوا به من قبل كذلك نطبع على قلوب المعتدين.
Then after him we sent other apostles to their people. They brought them manifest proofs, but they would not believe something they had denied before. Thus do we seal the hearts of the transgressors.
ثم بعثنا من بعدهم موسى وهارون إلى فرعون وملئه بآياتنا فاستكبروا وكانوا قوما مجرمين.
Then, after them, we sent Moses and Aaron to Pharaoh and his elite with our signs, but they acted arrogantly and they were a guilty lot.
فلما جاءهم الحق من عندنا قالوا إن هذا لسحر مبين.
When the truth from us came to them, they said, "This is indeed plain magic."
قال موسى أتقولون للحق لما جاءكم أسحر هذا ولا يفلح الساحرون.
Moses said, "Do you say of the truth when it comes to you, that it is magic? Is this magic? Magicians do not find salvation."
قالوا أجئتنا لتلفتنا عما وجدنا عليه آباءنا وتكون لكما الكبرياء في الأرض وما نحن لكما بمؤمنين.
They said, "Have you come to us to turn us away from what we found our fathers following, so that supremacy may be yours in the land? We will not believe in the two of you."
وقال فرعون ائتوني بكل ساحر عليم.
Pharaoh said, "Bring me every expert magician."
فلما جاء السحرة قال لهم موسى ألقوا ما أنتم ملقون.
So when the magicians came, Moses said to them, "Throw down what you have to throw."
فلما ألقوا قال موسى ما جئتم به السحر إن الله سيبطله إن الله لا يصلح عمل المفسدين.
So when they threw down their sticks and ropes, Moses said, "What you have produced is magic. Indeed Allah will bring it to naught presently. Indeed Allah does not foster the efforts of those who cause corruption."
وَيُحِقُّ اللَّهُ الْحَقَّ بِكَلِمَاتِهِ وَلَوْ كَرِهَ الْمُجْرِمُونَ.
Allah will confirm the truth with His words, though the guilty should be averse.
فَمَا آمَنَ لِمُوسَى إِلَّا ذُرِّيَّةٌ مِّن قَوْمِهِ عَلَى خَوْفٍ مِّن فِرْعَوْنَ وَمَلَئِهِمْ أَن يَفْتِنَهُمْ وَإِنَّ فِرْعَوْنَ لَعَالٍ فِي الْأَرْضِ وَإِنَّهُ لَمِنَ الْمُسْرِفِينَ.
But none believed in Moses except some youths from among his people, for the fear of Pharaoh and his elite that he would persecute them. For Pharaoh was indeed a tyrant in the land, and indeed he was an unrestrained despot.
وقال موسى يا قوم إن كنتم آمنتم بالله فعليه توكلوا إن كنتم مسلمين.
And Moses said, "O my people, if you have faith in Allah, put your trust in Him, if you have submitted to Him."
فقالوا على الله توكلنا ربنا لا تجعلنا فتنة للقوم الظالمين.
Whereat they said, In Allah we have put our trust. Our Lord. Do not make us a means of test for the wrongdoing lot.
ونجنا برحمتك من القوم الكافرين.
And deliver us by your mercy from the faithless lot.
وأوحينا إلى موسى وأخيه أن تبوأ لقومكما بمصر بيوتا واجعلوا بيوتكم قبلة وأقيموا الصلاة وبشر المؤمنين.
We revealed to Moses and his brother, saying, Settle your people in the city, and let your houses face each other, and maintain the prayer, and give good news to the faithful.
وقال موسى ربنا إنك آتيت فرعون وملأه زينة وأموالا في الحياة الدنيا ربنا ليضلوا عن سبيلك ربنا اطمس على أموالهم واشدد على قلوبهم فلا يؤمنوا حتى يروا العذاب الأليم.
Moses said, Our Lord, you have given Pharaoh and his elite glamour and wealth in the life of this world, our Lord, that they may lead people astray from your way. Our Lord, blot out their wealth and harden their hearts so that they do not believe until they sight the painful punishment.
قال قد أجيبت دعوتكما فاستقيما ولا تتبعان سبيل الذين لا يعلمون.
Said he, Your supplication has already been granted. So be steadfast, and do not follow the way of those who do not know.
وجاوزنا ببني إسرائيل البحر فأتبعهم فرعون وجنوده بغيا وعدوا حتى إذا أدركه الغرق قال آمنت أنه لا إله إلا الذي آمنت به بنو إسرائيل وأنا من المسلمين.
We carried the children of Israel across the sea, whereat Pharaoh and his troops pursued them, out of defiance and aggression. When overtaken by drowning, he called out, I believe that there is no God except him in whom the children of Israel believe, and I am one of those who submit to him.
الآن وقد عصيت قبل وكنت من المفسدين.
He was told, What? Now? When you have been disobedient heretofore and were among the agents of corruption.
فاليوم ننجيك ببدنك لتكون لمن خلفك آية وإن كثيرا من الناس عن آياتنا لغافلون.
So today we shall deliver your body so that you may be a sign for those who come after you. Indeed many of the people are oblivious to our signs.
وَلَقَدْ بَوَّأْنَا بَنِي إِسْرَائِيلَ مُبَوَّأَ صِدْقٍ وَرَزَقْنَاهُم مِّنَ الطَّيِّبَاتِ فما اختلفوا حتى جاءهم العلم إن ربك يقضي بينهم يوم القيامة فيما كانوا فيه يختلفون.
Certainly we settled the children of Israel in a worthy settlement, and we provided them with all the good things, and they did not differ until after the knowledge had come to them. Your Lord will indeed judge between them on the day of resurrection concerning that about which they used to differ.
فإن كنت في شك مما أنزلنا إليك فاسأل الذين يقرؤون الكتاب من قبلك لقد جاءك الحق من ربك فلا تكونن من الممترين.
So if you are in doubt about what we have sent down to you, ask those who read the book revealed before you. The truth has certainly come to you from your Lord, so do not be among the skeptics.
ولا تكونن من الذين كذبوا بآيات الله فتكون من الخاسرين.
And do not be of those who deny the signs of Allah, for then you shall be among the losers.
إن الذين حقت عليهم كلمة ربك لا يؤمنون.
Indeed, those against whom your Lord's judgment has become due will not have faith.
ولو جاءتهم كل آية حتى يروا العذاب الأليم.
Even though every sign were to come to them, until they sight the painful punishment.
فلولا كانت قرية آمنت فنفعها إيمانها إلا قوم يونس لما آمنوا كشفنا عنهم عذاب الخزي في الحياة الدنيا ومتعناهم إلى حين.
Why has there not been any town that might believe, so that its belief might benefit it, except the people of Jonah? When they believed, we removed from them the punishment of disgrace in the life of this world, and we provided for them for a while.
ولو شاء ربك لآمن من في الأرض كلهم جميعا أفأنت تكره الناس حتى يكونوا مؤمنين.
Had your Lord wished, all those who are on earth would have believed. Would you then force people until they become faithful?
وما كان لنفس أن تؤمن إلا بإذن الله ويجعل الرجس على الذين لا يعقلون.
No soul may have faith except by Allah's leave, and He lays defilement on those who do not exercise their reason.
قل انظروا ماذا في السماوات والأرض وما تغني الآيات والنذر عن قوم لا يؤمنون.
Say, observe what is in the heavens and the earth. But neither signs nor warnings avail a people who have no faith.
فهل ينتظرون إلا مثل أيام الذين خلوا من قبلهم قل فانتظروا إني معكم من المنتظرين.
Do they await anything except the like of the days of those who passed away before them? Say, then wait. I too am waiting along with you.
ثم ننجي رسلنا والذين آمنوا كذلك حقا علينا ننجي المؤمنين.
Then we shall deliver our apostles and those who have faith. Thus, it is a must for us to deliver the faithful.
قل يا أيها الناس إن كنتم في شك من ديني فلا أعبد الذين تعبدون من دون الله ولكن أعبد الله الذي يتوفاكم وأمرت أن أكون من المؤمنين.
Say, O people, if you are in doubt about my religion, then know that I do not worship those whom you worship besides Allah. Rather, I worship only Allah, who causes you to die, and I have been commanded to be among the faithful.
وأن أقم وجهك للدين حنيفا ولا تكونن من المشركين.
And that, dedicate yourself to the religion, as a Hanif, and never be one of the polytheists.
ولا تدع من دون الله ما لا ينفعك ولا يضرك فإن فعلت فإنك إذا من الظالمين.
Nor invoke besides Allah that which neither benefits you nor can do you any harm. For if you do so, then you will indeed be among the wrongdoers.
وَإِن يَمْسَسْكَ اللَّهُ بِضُرٍّ فَلَا كَاشِفَ لَهُ إِلَّا هُوَ وَإِن يُرِدْكَ بِخَيْرٍ فَلَا رَادَّ لِفَضْلِهِ يصيب به من يشاء من عباده وهو الغفور الرحيم.
Should Allah visit you with some distress, there is no one to remove it except Him, and should He desire any good for you, none can stand in the way of His grace. He grants it to whomever He wishes of His servants, and He is the all-forgiving, the all-merciful.
قل يا أيها الناس قد جاءكم الحق من ربكم فمن اهتدى فإنما يهتدي لنفسه ومن ضل فإنما يضل عليها وما أنا عليكم بوكيل.
Say, O mankind, the truth has already come to you from your Lord. Whoever is guided only for the good of his own soul, and whoever goes astray only to its detriment, and it is not my business to watch over you.
واتبع ما يوحى إليك واصبر حتى يحكم الله وهو خير الحاكمين.
And follow that which is revealed to you, and be patient until Allah issues His judgment, and He is the best of judges.